Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. See, children, in our last session we have discussed about the alphabetical order and vowels and consonants. At the same time, we have discussed about the use of a or an. Now here we have to discuss about the nouns. What we have to discuss about? Nouns or the beginnings of the dictionary of naming words. Here naming words also known as the nouns. Nouns ante entamma? Naming words. What do you mean by nouns, children? Naming words. What are the nouns? Nouns means nothing. They are the name of person, place, thing or an animals. Now let us see, children, few of the names of animals. Let us check few of the names of the animals. Bear, B-E-A-R, bear. What is it? Bear. Bear is a naming word and it is also a noun. Okay. Next one, buffalo, B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. Next one, camel, C-A-M-E-L, camel. Next one, cat, C-A-T, cat. Next one, children, cow, C-O-W, cow. Next one, crocodile, C-O-C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E, crocodile. Deer, D-E-E-R, deer. D-O-G, dog. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. F-I-S-H, fish. F-O-X, fox. F-R-O-G, frog. Next one, giraffe, Z-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Next one, children, goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Next one, H-A-R-E, hare. These are the few names of animals and they are also known as nouns. Okay, children. Say again, B-E-A-R, bear. B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. C-A-M-E-L, camel. C-A-T, cat. C-O-W, cow. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E, crocodile. D-E-E-R, deer. D-O-G, dog. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. F-I-S-H, fish. F-O-X, fox. F-R-O-G, frog. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. C-O-A-T, goat. H-A-R-E, hare. So these are the few names of the animals and these are known as the naming words and they are also known as the nouns. Few more has been given to you, children. H-O-R-S-E, horse. What is this spelling, Nana? Horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. L-I-O-N, lion. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. P-I-G, pig. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. S-N-A-K-E, snake. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. W-O-L-F, wolf. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. So these are the few names of the animals and they are also known as nouns. Let us check a few names in the textbook. Pictures has been given to you in the textbook. I will show you the pictures. See, children, in this way. They gave pictures also. So these names are known as the నేమింగ్ వర్డ్. ఇట్లన్నిటినీ ఏమంటున్నావు నాన్న? నేమింగ్ వర్డ్. ఐ విల్ రివైజ్ వన్స్ దీస్ నేమ్స్, then I will give you the birds names. These all are animals names: deer, buffalo, camel, cat, cow, crocodile, deer, dog, donkey, elephant, fish, fox, frog, giraffe, goat, hare, horse, lion, monkey, mouse, pig, sheep, snake, tiger, wolf and zebra. Wolf and zebra. Now let us check the names of the birds. What we have to check now? Birds names. Now we have learnt only the animals names. Now let us check the birds names. Now see birds names. Butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. C-O-C-K, cock. C-R-A-N-E, crane. C-R-O-W, crow. D-O-V-E, dove. D-U-C-K, duck. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. N-I-G-H-T-I-N-G-A-L-E, nightingale. O-W-L, owl. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. So these are the few names of the birds. And one more children, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Next one, pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Next one, sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. W-A-S-P, wasp. Now these are the few names of the birds. Once revise children, all of you. Butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. C-O-C-K, cock. C-R-A-N-E, crane. C-R-O-W, crow. D-O-V-E, dove. D-U-C-K, duck. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. N-I-G-H-T-I-N-G-A-L-E, nightingale. O-W-L, owl. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. W-A-S-P, wasp. Okay children, now let us learn few of the fruits names. What we have to learn now? Fruits names. Now we learn animals and birds. Now ఇప్పుడు fruits నేర్చుకుందాం. Okay? Fruits. I'll write few names. I'm not writing more. Few I am writing fruits names here. See children, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Next, banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T, coconut. Grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. M-A-N-G-O, mango. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, pineapple. Next one, P-L-U-M, plum. Okay, let us learn vegetables also children. Vegetables names కూడా నేర్చుకుందాం. Let us learn few of the vegetables. Brinjal, B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. Next one, cabbage, C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. Carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Cauliflower, C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R, cauliflower. Cucumber, C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R, cucumber. onion, onion, onion. Peas, peas, peas. Potato, potato, potato. Radish, radish, radish. Tomato, tomato. Now see children, brinjal, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, cucumber, onion, peas, potato, radish, tomato. Now next they have been given us Nana few names of the jobs names ఇచ్చారు. జాబ్స్ అంటే సపోజ్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ అ టీచర్ జాబ్. సో టీచర్, పెయింటర్, డాక్టర్, నర్స్. So these are known as the jobs names. Okay children, these are fruits and these are vegetables. Now let us check jobs. Let us check jobs. See children, jobs. Barber, B-A-R-B-E-R, barber. Next one, carpenter, C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R, carpenter. Cobbler, C-O-B-B-L-E-R, cobbler. Dancer, D-A-N-C-E-R, dancer. Next children, farmer, F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Next one, fisherman, F-I-S-H-E-R-M-A-N, fisherman. Nurse, N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Painter, P-A-I-N-T-E-R, painter. Potter, P-O-T-T-E-R, potter. Soldier, S-O-L-D-I-E-R, soldier. Next, shepherd, S-H-E-P-H-E-R-D, shepherd. Tailor, T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. Let me show you children the names given to you. Here, birds pictures. Okay, butterfly, cock, crane, crow, dove, duck, eagle, nightingale, owl, parrot. And here one more, they have peacock, pigeon, sparrow, wasp, apple, banana, coconut, grapes, mango, orange, pineapple, plum, brinjal, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, cucumber, onion, peas, potato, radish, tomato. Okay children, and we have learned few names of the jobs also. Let us see the jobs names children. Barber, carpenter, cobbler, dancer, farmer, fisherman, painter, nurse, potter, soldier, shepherd, tailor. Okay, now let us learn children few of the body parts of body. Before to end the class, let us learn parts of the body. అంటే మన బాడీలో parts names. These all words are known as naming words. ఈ అన్నిటిని ఏమంటామమ్మా? Naming words. These all are known as naming words. Now parts of body. Parts of the body. See children, here parts of the body. H-A-I-R, hair. H-E-A-D, head. Forehead, F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D, forehead. Next, E-Y-E-S, eyes. Next one, E-A-R-S, ears. Next one, nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Next, cheeks, C-H-E-E-K-S, cheeks. mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Lips, L-I-P-S, lips. H-A-N-D-S, hands. Teeth, T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Chin, C-H-I-N, chin. N-E-C-K, neck. A-R-M-S, arms. F-E-E-T, feet. L-E-G-S, legs. N-A-I-L-S, nails. So these are the few body parts. Few more are there, children. See, children, I will show you in the picture. Few more are there. Hair, head, forehead, eyes, ears, nose, cheeks. First line. Now coming to the second line. Mouth, lips, hands, teeth, chin, neck, shoulders, arms, fingers, thumb, nails, legs, knees, feet. So these are all about the naming words. Ivanni enti nana? Naming words. What they are called? Naming words. What are the naming words called? Nouns. Nouns means naming words. Naming words means nouns. Tomorrow in our next session of the grammar, we learn the days of the week and the months of the year, and we will discuss few exercises related to this topic, children. Once you revise all the names, whatever I have explained you in this session. Have a nice day.